My name is Mrs. 𝐈𝐧𝐭𝐤 and I am from interview preparing and training team. I will be conducting your interview today, and by profession, I am a counselor. Okay. Yeah. So let's start. Could you please introduce yourself to me?
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is Pooja. I'm from Vijayawada, AP State. My education qualifications, I have completed my UG and PG in chemistry. And my passion is to become a teacher. And this is a small introduction about me. Thank you.
Could you please tell me something about Byjus? Who is the owner and co-founder of Byjus?
Owner and co-founder of Byjus is Byjus Ravindran.
And the co-founder is?
I don't know.
Divya Gokulnath. Okay. In which year Byjus company was established?
2011.
Now what you have to do is, you have to explain me any topic in chemistry for 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Today here we are going to discuss about the topic acid, bases and salts. Basically, we use many of acids, bases and salts around us. Like few in our daily life, such as lemons, oranges, tamarins, sugar, salts. These are few examples combining acids, bases, and salts. Now moving on to the topic acids. Acid is mainly, it is derived from the Latin word acera, which means sour. Okay, they taste sour. Like for example, we know the taste of lemon, orange, tamarind, and all. These all taste sour, so we can call these as acids. Coming to the base will be base is not coming to the base. If you want to know about the bases, acid, the topic for us is acid, bases, and salts. Okay, we know what are acids. Now coming to the bases are nothing but apart from acids and salts. Bases are nothing but bitter in taste and soapy in taste. Like for example, when we taste a baking soda or when we taste a soap, the taste of it is not sweet, salt, nor acidic, nor sour. So it will be bitter in taste. When we touch those compounds, baking soda or soap, it will be somewhat soapy in mixture. So this type of compounds we call them as bases. Coming to the salts. The example for salt is common salt is cooking salt. These salts are obtained by combination of acid and bases. Okay. The compounds or the substance given to us, if we cannot identify them by tasting or by touching, there are even few other processes to identifying the acids and bases. So that there is a special type. It is known as indicators. The main role of indicators is to find out whether the compound is acidic or basic. Okay. When we add the indicator to the solution, the main thing what the indicators do is they change the color according to acidic and basic. In indicators, there are types of indicators such as natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and synthetic indicators, universal indicators. Coming to the natural indicators, lichens are one of the natural indicators which are obtained from the plant. And some of like turmeric that stains, turmeric is in yellow color. As we touch it, we get the yellow stain into our hand or anywhere. Then beetroot, cherries, and so on. Coming to the universal indicators are the mixture of indicators, or it is identified according to its pH level. pH scale from 0 to 14. If these are acidic, if the indicator identifies the compound as acidic, then the value of it will be between 0 to 7. If it is neutral, it will be 7, and if it is basic, it will be from 7 to 14. Coming to the synthetic indicators, there are two types, such as phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein indicator, it is basically a weak acid. Its color is colorless. When it is added into the acid, it is colorless. When it is added into base, it turns into pink or pale pink. Methyl orange, when it is in acidic, it is red. Basic, it turns to orangish color. Then coming into the process of neutralization. Neutralization is nothing but it is a combination of acids and base. When acids and base combinedly react together, they form a compound called as salt plus water, which is known as a neutralization.
Okay. Now there will be certain questions which I'll ask to you. You're supposed to answer. Fine. Just relax yourself. Okay. Need not worry. We are there to help you out at any cost. So do not worry. Fine. Smile on face is must. The HR should not get to know whatever is happening within you. Whatever problem you are facing, it should not be reflected on your face. Fine. So I'll tell you everything. Do not worry. I'll make sure that everything is known to you in the feedback round. Fine. Just relax yourself. Whatever is happening, no matter how you are giving the interview, let it be. I'm there to help you out. Fine, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Smile? Okay. Now, why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? I'll again repeat. I'll again repeat. Why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels?
Okay. Curd and
curd and all the sour substances.
Yeah, okay. As mainly curd contains a lactic acid. When the acids react with metals, they emit a few poisonous gas. In that one of that is the hydrogenous gas, which is very poisonous. When we consume that content which is kept in a copper or brass vessel, when it goes into our body, it makes us indigestion and the food becomes poisonous.
Great. What do you know about displacement reaction?
Displacement reaction, displacing. Okay. Displacement reaction is nothing but the heavier reactive element is replaced by lighter reactive element. Metals, we can say both metals and non-metals also form the reaction.
You can make it more elaborative, okay?
Okay.
Displacement reaction, note it down somewhere, question mark, make it more elaborative. Anyways, Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment resulted in the discovery of what? I'll give you 4 options. You have to choose between those options. Again, I would repeat, Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment resulted in the discovery of electron, proton, nucleus in the atom, or atomic mass.
He discovered nucleus.
Nucleus in the atom?
Yes.
Okay. Which of the following correctly represents the electronic distribution in the Mg atom? You can note it down somewhere. Do you have a paper and a pen? Yeah. Options.
Yeah.
First, 381.
One second question.
Which of the following correctly represents the electronic distribution in the Mg atom?
Okay.
First option is 381. Second is 282. Third is 183. And fourth is 822.
Electronic configuration.
Yeah, Mg atom, yes.
Okay, magnesium, its atomic number will be 12. It's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 8, 10, and 3s2.
A, B, C, or D. Which option is correct? I've given you 4 options. I gave you 4 options. Number 1 was 381, 3, 8, 1.
Yeah.
Second is 282. Third is 183.
282, ma'am. Second option, 282.
Correct. Now, could you please tell me, Pooja, apart from this, the reason why we should hire you?
Reason why I should hire me.
What qualities do you possess? So, what are you? Why are you benefit to Byjus? Why we should hire you? Tell us one reason for that.
Okay, ma'am. As I love teaching career, so I have chosen to do my degrees in master degrees in the teaching field, which I love it. So it's my main passion is to become a teacher. As I'm a fresher, I want to start my career in a reputable company. So in that one of the Byjus, even which is available online, you can do work from home. As this is the best part for me to build my career.
Okay. And are you ready to sign a 2-year bond in Byjus, which we have? I'll give you 3 options. You have to arrange those options according to your preference. Money, career growth, and work-life balance.
Okay.
How will you arrange?
Okay. First thing is the career. If career is good, we can. If career we like the career, we can balance the work life, and even partially money is also.
See, money is important. Now, what about work-life balance? At times, you will be under several severe pressure.
Yeah.
Because in Byjus, you will be under pressure. So, don't you think your work life will be unbalanced because of that?
Yeah, I try, ma'am. As I'm a fresher, I want to learn a lot. So I will work hard. I will try to work hard as much as possible.
Okay. Now, let's start with the feedback round. Okay.